What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are getting ready to go out to dinner, but first we thought we would pack the car for the rally. And I have to tell you, we have been warned that there's no way that I'm gonna pack light enough for all of our stuff, my stuff and Chris's stuff, to fit in the front trunk of the Lamborghini. And I packed light, and Chris packed even lighter, and I'm hopeful. The only thing that we're missing from the bags right now are toiletries, like that kind of stuff, the things that you pack like the day of. But I kept the bags cushy, soft, so we can like shove them in if we really need to. My goal is not to have anything by my feet, because I do plan on bringing a cooler, because you know that I'm going to try and eat as healthy as I can, at least en route down there. So I want to try and keep these bags away from my feet. So let's see if we can get them into the front. So a little bit of space. All right, here we go. Oh, come on. This is doable. Oh, yeah. And look, I have room for like toiletries. See? I think we got this, guys. I feel like a champion. I also must be forgetting a lot of stuff, but I think we got this. I'm excited. So now we're going to dinner, and tomorrow morning we are taking flights or something like that in a Lamborghini, and I'm excited. Good morning, YouTube. We are in the Lamborghini. Chris is waving hello. We got Carly to school. We got the dog to Chris's parents' house, and we made a pit stop. We are on a roll this morning, and we are already en route to Miami. Here we go. So I want to tell you guys about our pit stop. I'm excited. So we have not opened these boxes yet. We just got custom shoes made, sneakers. They're Vans. Yeah. And they are Lamborghini inspired. We found out on
trying to drive as slow as possible because it's so loud.
We found out on Friday that our friend Melissa does custom shoes. So shout out to her, and I will link her information below. I think this is new for her, but she's like so talented. I mean, we saw a pair of shoes she did, and we were like, I have got to have something like this. So she did a rush order for us and took care of us. So let's get into these sneakers. Wow, guys. Check these out. How freaking cute are these?
That's real.
Oh
insane.
my gosh, she put my Instagram. Oh wow, these are so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, she killed it. Okay, let's check Chris's out. Okay, so these are Chris's. Her little stickers are so cute. Oh, I love it. So cute. Should put your handle on there too. Oh, I love it. Melissa, you killed it. Absolutely killed it. These are amazing.
Wow.
What do you think?
I like how mine's a little bit more black too.
Yeah, so...
And yours are more yellow, and they're not like identical.
I agree. Yeah, so and the thing was with this, we were like, she's like, well, what do you want? We sent her like the Lamborghini logo and everything. And I'm big on, I made a joke the other day, and I was like, if there's like a chef-inspired dish at a restaurant, I'll say like, you know, they'll ask you like the temperature, and I'll say like whatever the chef prefers. Same thing with like art. I feel like giving her the ability to just kind of do whatever feels right and not be so specific gave her the freedom to be creative. And we said they did not have to be identical, and she like killed it. They're so cute. So comment below, let us know what you think of our brand new sneakers. I cannot wait to rock these at the rally. Are you excited?
Yeah, I really am.
So stoked.
666 more miles to go.
Oh my god.
9.5 hours.
Okay guys, we made it to Florida Welcome Center, thank goodness. Now we have to find a gas station and continue our drive. So we just crossed the border. That was kind of nice. And then we looked at the GPS and realized that we actually have like 4.5 hours still to go. But we cut down like almost half the trip already. So not bad.
Halfway there.
Halfway there. Let's go.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met.
So we are finally in Florida, and we just hit the gym real quick. And now I'm going to clean up the car, and we are going to head over to the rally.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
The car's all clean. I hope you enjoyed day one, our trip to Florida. Tomorrow starts the rally, so make sure you're subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any of the fun that happens this weekend. See you guys next time.
But it's never enough, I'm not even ready to slow down.